Hey there folks, today I'm going to walk you through the ultimate guide to layer poultry farming. Whether you're a newbie or looking to brush up on your skills, this guide has got you covered from beginning to end. First things first, let's talk about choosing the right breed. Not all chickens are created equal. For egg production, consider breeds like Leghorns, Rhode Island Reds and Sussex. These birds are known for their consistent laying and hardy nature. Next up, housing. Your birds need a comfortable home. Ensure your coop is well ventilated, predator-proof and spacious enough to allow free movement. A good rule of thumb is about 3 square feet per bird inside the coop and 10 square feet in the run. Remember, happy hens lay more eggs. Now, let's move on to feeding. Layers need a balanced diet rich in calcium and protein. Opt for a commercial layer feed that meets these needs. Supplement their diet with kitchen scraps and greens, but avoid giving them anything toxic like avocado or chocolate. Fresh, clean water is a must at all times. Lighting is another crucial aspect. Layers need about 16 hours of light daily to maintain optimal egg production. In winter, you might need to supplement natural light with artificial lighting, but don't overdo it. A rest period is equally important for their health. Let's not forget about regular health checks. Keep an eye out for common diseases like coccidiosis and mites. Ensure your birds are vaccinated and practice good biosecurity to prevent outbreaks. A healthy flock is a productive flock. Finally, egg collection and storage. Collect eggs at least twice a day to keep them clean and reduce the risk of breakage. Store them in a cool, dry place, preferably in the refrigerator, and there you go, farm fresh eggs ready for the market or your kitchen, and that's your crash course in layer poultry farming. Starting off might seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and a bit of dedication, you'll be reaping the rewards in no time. So roll up those sleeves and get cracking. Remember, every great farmer started somewhere. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more farming tips and tricks. Until next time, happy farming. And let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next.